Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. First, power on your new device by pressing and holding the side button for about 3 seconds. Next, download the Huawei Health app onto your smartphone from its respective app store. Open the app, navigate to Devices, and select Add to find your watch. Confirm the pairing code displayed on both your watch and phone. This simple process connects your watch and prepares it for daily use, giving you a seamless start. Navigating your Watch Fit 4 Pro is intuitive and simple. Swipe down from the watch face to quickly access essential settings such as Do Not Disturb mode or alarm. Swiping up will reveal your recent notifications, ensuring you never miss an important alert. You can effortlessly swipe left or right to view various health metrics and other useful widgets. Pressing the physical side button instantly takes you to the full app list, providing access to every function. The Watch Fit 4 Pro is packed with powerful health and fitness tracking capabilities. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing valuable data on your cardiovascular health 24 hours a day. You can also measure your blood oxygen saturation, a key indicator of your respiratory well-being. With more than 100 distinct workout modes, the watch accurately tracks diverse activities from running to swimming. Furthermore, it offers in-depth sleep analysis, helping you understand and improve your sleep patterns. Make your Watch Fit 4 Pro uniquely yours with extensive customization options. You can easily change your watch face from hundreds of designs within the Huawei Health app, matching your style or mood. Manage which smartphone notifications reach your wrist, preventing distractions from less important alerts. To maximize your battery life, consider reducing screen brightness or disabling continuous heart rate and SpO2 tracking. With typical use, your watch can last up to 10 days on a single full charge, providing long-lasting convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.